Question 1. Which of the following best describes the balance of payments? Difference between exports and imports of goods only. Record of all economic transactions between residents and the rest of the world during a year. Difference between government receipts and expenditure. Total foreign exchange reserves of a country. Your answer is B. Record of all economic transactions between residents and the rest of the world during a year. Question 2. Which of the following will directly increase India's current account deficit? Increase in software exports, fall in crude oil imports, increase in gold imports, rise in remittances received. Your answer is C. Increase in gold imports. Question 3. With reference to tariffs, consider the following statements. Tariffs increase the price of imported goods. Tariffs always increase consumer welfare. Which of the statement gives above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both, neither. Your answer is A. 1 only. Question 4. Dumping in international trade means exporting goods below their normal value, importing waste materials, banning imports, exporting only agricultural products. Your answer is A. Exporting goods below their normal value. Question 5. Which organization settles trade disputes among member countries? IMF, WTO, World Bank, OECD. Your answer is B. WTO. Question 6. The primary objective of the WTO Agreement on Agriculture is to increase subsidies indefinitely, promote fair agricultural trade, ban agricultural exports, fix global food prices. Your answer is B. Promote fair agricultural trade. Question 7. A depreciation of the Indian rupee generally makes imports cheaper, exports more competitive, foreign travel cheaper, petroleum imports less expensive. Your answer is B. Exports more competitive. Question 8. Which of the following is an invisible item in international trade? Steel exports, wheat imports, shipping services, crude oil imports. Your answer is C. Shipping services. Question 9. Consider the following: software services, tourism receipts, merchandise exports. Which are included under invisibles? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 only, 1, 2, 3. Your answer is A. 1 and 2 only. Question 10. Which of the following can improve a country's trade balance? Rise in imports, increase in exports, fall in exports, increase in import dependence. Your answer is B, increase in exports. Question 11. Special drawing rights are issued by World Bank, IMF, WTO, BIS. Your answer is B, IMF. Question 12. Which of the following is not a function of the IMF? Providing short-term financial assistance, maintaining exchange rate stability, financing infrastructure projects, promoting international monetary cooperation. Your answer is C, financing infrastructure projects. Question 13. Foreign direct investment differs from foreign portfolio investment because FDI gives management control, is always short term, is limited to stock markets, cannot enter manufacturing. Your answer is A. FDI gives management control. Question 14. The largest share in India's merchandise imports generally consists of tea, petroleum products, cotton, coffee. Your answer is B, petroleum products. Question 15. Which among the following is an export promotion measure? Export subsidy, import quota, anti-dumping duty, safeguard duty. Your answer is A, export subsidy. Question 16. Consider the following statements. Free trade agreements eliminate all taxes. FTAs generally reduce tariffs among participating countries. Which is correct? One only, two only, both, neither. Your answer is B, two only. Question 17. A country enjoys comparative advantage when it produces everything cheaper, produces a good at a lower opportunity cost, has more natural resources, has a larger population. Your answer is B, produces a good at lower opportunity cost. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of a non-tariff barrier? Customs duty, import quota, export tax, GST. Your answer is B, import quota. Question 19. Trade surplus occurs when imports exceed exports, exports exceed imports, imports equal exports, foreign reserves become zero. Your answer is B, exports exceeds imports. Question 20. Which one is considered hot money? FDI, long-term loans, portfolio investment, sovereign grants. Your answer is C. Portfolio investment. Question 21. Consider the following: capital account, current account, financial account, which together constitute the balance of payments framework. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3, 3 only. Your answer is C. 1, 2, 3. Question 22. Which measure is adopted to protect domestic industries from unfairly cheap imports? Anti-dumping duty, GST, corporate tax, income tax. Your answer is A. Anti-dumping duty. Question 23. Which of the following can lead to appreciation of the domestic currency? Large capital inflows, higher imports, trade deficit, increase in oil prices. Your answer is A. Large capital inflows. Question 24. The term most favored nation in WTO implies preferential treatment to one country only, equal trading treatment among WTO members, military alliance, duty-free imports only. Your answer is B. Equal trading treatment among WTO members. Question 25. If India's exports grow faster than imports over a sustained period, it is most likely to worsen the trade balance, improve the trade balance, increase fiscal deficit automatically, reduce GDP. Your answer is B. Improve the trade balance. Question 26. Consider the following statements regarding the current account of the balance of payments. It includes merchandise trade. It includes income from investments abroad. It requires foreign direct investment. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is B. 1 and 2 only. Question 27. The primary objective of imposing an anti-dumping duty is to increase government revenue, protect domestic producers from unfairly low-priced imports, promote exports, reduce inflation. Your answer is B. Protect domestic producers from unfairly low-priced imports. Question 28. Which one of the following is not a non-tariff barrier? Import quota, quality standards, customs duty, licensing requirement. Your answer is C. Customs duty. Question 29. A free trade agreement generally aims to eliminate tariffs among member countries, adopt a common currency, form a political union, establish a common central bank. Your answer is A. Eliminate tariffs among member countries. Question 30. Consider the following organizations: WTO, IMF, World Bank. Which of the above provides long-term development loans? 1 only, 2 only, 3 only, 2 and 3 only. Your answer is C. 3 only. Question 31. If the Indian rupee depreciates significantly, which of the following is most likely? Imports become cheaper, exports become more competitive, foreign tourists avoid India, current account surplus automatically disappears. Your answer is B. Exports become more competitive. Question 32. Which of the following is considered a capital receipt in the balance of payments? Software exports, remittances, foreign direct investment, tourism earnings. Your answer is C. Foreign direct investment. Question 33. The term trade diversion is commonly associated with customs union, fiscal deficit, inflation, exchange rate. Your answer is A. Customs union. Question 34. Which of the following best explains comparative advantage? Producing everything at lower cost, producing goods with lower opportunity cost, having abundant labor, having superior technology in every sector. Your answer is B. Producing goods with lower opportunity cost. Question 35. Which organization publishes the World Economic Outlook? WTO, IMF, UNCTAD, World Bank. Your answer is B. IMF. Question 36. The agreement on trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights is administered by IMF, WTO, FAO, OECD. Your answer is B. WTO. Question 37. Consider the following: export subsidies, import quotas, tariffs. Which of the above are trade policy instruments? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3, 3 only. Your answer is C. 1, 2 and 3. Question 38. Which of the following is an invisible export? Rice, petroleum, IT services, cotton. Your answer is C. IT services. Question 39. Which institution primarily finances infrastructure projects in developing countries? IMF, World Bank, WTO, BIS. Your answer is B. World Bank. Question 40. Which of the following may worsen India's current account deficit? Increase in software exports, rise in remittances, increase in crude oil imports, growth in tourism receipts. Your answer is C. Increase in crude oil imports. Question 41. Which of the following correctly distinguishes FDI from FPI? FPI gives management control. FDI is generally long-term investment. FDI is limited to stock exchanges. FPI always creates employment. Your answer is B. FDI is generally long-term investment. Question 42. The most favored nation principle under WTO means equal treatment among WTO members, zero customs duty, free movement of labor, common currency. Your answer is A. Equal treatment among WTO members. Question 43. Which of the following is not included in merchandise trade? Machinery, petroleum, banking services, textiles. Your answer is C. Banking services. Question 44. Consider the following statements. Tariffs increase the cost of imported goods. Import quotas limit the quantity of imports. Which statements are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither. Your answer is C. Both one and two. Question 45. The headquarters of the World Trade Organization is located in New York, Geneva, Washington DC, Paris. Your answer is B. Geneva. Question 46. Which among the following is an example of regional economic integration? BRICS, European Union, G20, G77. Your answer is B. European Union. Question 47. Which of the following would increase foreign exchange earnings for India? Growth in software exports, increase in gold imports, increase in crude oil imports, decline in tourism. Your answer is A. Growth in software exports. Question 48. Which of the following is the most liquid international reserve asset created by the IMF? Gold, US dollar, special drawing rights, euro. Your answer is C. Special drawing rights. Question 49. The primary purpose of export promotion councils in India is to levy customs duties, promote exports of specific sectors, regulate monetary policy, collect income tax. Your answer is B. Promote exports of specific sectors. Question 50. Which of the following would most likely improve India's trade competitiveness? Better logistics and port infrastructure, higher import duties on raw materials, frequent power shortages, increased transportation costs. Your answer is A. Better logistics and port infrastructure. Question 51. With reference to India's foreign exchange reserves, consider the following: foreign currency assets, gold holdings, special drawing rights, reserve tranche position in IMF. Which of the above constitute India's foreign exchange reserves? 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 52. Which of the following is most likely to increase a country's foreign exchange reserves? Higher imports of crude oil, increase in foreign direct investment, rise in external debt repayments, increase in outbound tourism. Your answer is B. Increase in foreign direct investment. Question 53. The General Agreement on Trade in Services primarily deals with agricultural trade, trade in manufactured goods, international trade in services, intellectual property rights. Your answer is C. International trade in services. Question 54. Which WTO agreement aims to prevent investment measures that distort international trade? TRIPS, AOA, TRIMS, SPS. Your answer is C. TRIMS. Question 55. Consider the following statements. Convertibility of the current account allows unrestricted payments of trade in goods and services. India has full capital account convertibility. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither. Your answer is A. 1 only. Question 56. A country experiences trade creation primarily due to formation of a free trade area or customs union, increase in import tariffs, currency depreciation, capital outflows. Your answer is A. Formation of a free trade area or customs union. Question 57. The term terms of trade refers to a ratio of export prices to import prices, difference between exports and imports, exchange rate between two currencies, volume of exports. Your answer is A. Ratio of export prices to import prices. Question 58. Which of the following is not a component of the current account? Merchandise exports, services, remittances, foreign portfolio investment. Your answer is D. Foreign portfolio investment. Question 59. The purpose of the WTO's sanitary and phytosanitary agreement is to regulate exchange rates, ensure food safety and animal or plant health measures are scientifically justified, promote capital flows, control inflation. Your answer is B. Ensure food safety and animal or plant health measures are scientifically justified. Question 60. Which of the following is an example of a quantitative restriction on imports? Customs duty, import quota, GST, export rebate. Your answer is B. Import quota. Question 61. Consider the following: ASEAN, European Union, USMCA. Which of the above are regional trade arrangements? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 62. Which institution primarily monitors the global trading system? IMF, WTO, BIS, OECD. Your answer is B. WTO. Question 63. A persistent current account deficit can be sustainably financed by productive foreign direct investment, printing more currency, increasing import subsidies, reducing exports. Your answer is A. Productive foreign direct investment. Question 64. The most favored nation principle implies that a WTO member should extend any trade concession granted to one member to all WTO members, subject to exceptions. Countries must eliminate all tariffs. Developing countries receive free market access. Imports are exempt from customs duty. Your answer is A. A WTO member should extend any trade concession granted to one member to all WTO members, subject to exceptions. Question 65. Which one of the following would improve export competitiveness? Efficient logistics, higher electricity costs, poor infrastructure, frequent port congestion. Your answer is A. Efficient logistics. Question 66. Consider the following statements. Currency depreciation generally makes exports cheaper. Currency appreciation generally makes imports cheaper. Which statements are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither. Your answer is C, both 1 and 2. Question 67. The primary objective of an export processing zone is to promote export-oriented manufacturing, restrict imports, collect customs duties, promote domestic retail trade. Your answer is A. Promote export-oriented manufacturing. Question 68. Which among the following is an invisible import? Machinery, petroleum, insurance services purchased from abroad, fertilizers. Your answer is C. Insurance services purchased from abroad. Question 69. The Marshall-Lerner condition relates to effectiveness of currency depreciation in improving the trade balance, inflation targeting, fiscal deficit, public debt sustainability. Your answer is A. Effectiveness of currency depreciation in improving the trade balance. Question 70. Which one of the following is a feature of a customs union? Free movement of goods only, common external tariff against non-members, common currency is compulsory, political integration. Your answer is B. Common external tariff against non-members. Question 71. Which of the following are considered export incentives? Duty drawback scheme, remission of duties and taxes on exported products, interest equalization scheme. One only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 72. The RBI intervenes in the foreign exchange market mainly to maintain orderly market conditions and reduce excessive volatility, permanently fix the exchange rate, eliminate imports, finance the fiscal deficit. Your answer is A. Maintain orderly market conditions and reduce excessive volatility. Question 73. Expansionary fiscal policy generally involves higher taxes and lower spending, lower taxes and higher spending, higher CRR, higher repo rate. Your answer is B. Lower taxes and higher spending. Question 74. Which policy is mainly used to control inflation? Expansionary monetary policy, contractionary monetary policy, trade policy, industrial policy. Your answer is B. Contractionary monetary policy. Question 75. Which of the following is the most appropriate objective of India's foreign trade policy? Promote exports and improve India's integration with global value chains, eliminate all imports, replace GST with customs duties, fix the exchange rate permanently. Your answer is A. Promote exports and improve India's integration with global value chains. Question 76. Assertions. A depreciation of the domestic currency generally makes exports more competitive. Reason. A depreciation reduces the foreign currency price of exported goods, making them relatively cheaper. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. Your answer is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 77. Consider the following statements regarding global value chains. Different stages of production are carried out in different countries. Participation in GVCs can enhance exports and employment. GVC participation eliminates the need for imports. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Question 78. Which WTO agreement primarily seeks to simplify customs procedures and reduce delays at borders? TRIPS, Trade Facilitation Agreement, SPS Agreement, Agreement on Agriculture. Your answer is B, Trade Facilitation Agreement. Question 79. Which of the following is most likely to improve a country's export competitiveness in the long run? Better logistics infrastructure, frequent export bans, higher production costs, persistent power shortages. Your answer is A, better logistics infrastructure. Question 80. Match the following. Codes 1B 2A 3C, 1A 2C 3B, 1C 2B 3A, 1B 2C 3A. Your answer is A, 1B 2A 3C. Question 81. A safeguard duty is imposed primarily to counter unfair dumping, protect domestic industry from a sudden surge in imports, promote exports, increase foreign investment. Your answer is B, protect domestic industry from a sudden surge in imports. Question 82. Which of the following can lead to appreciation of the Indian rupee? Higher FDI inflows, increase in exports, large capital inflows. 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question 83. The J-curve effect is associated with inflation, exchange rate depreciation and trade balance adjustment, fiscal deficit, GDP growth. Your answer is B. Exchange rate depreciation and trade balance adjustment. Question 84. Which of the following is not generally regarded as a benefit of free trade agreements? Lower tariffs, greater market access, reduced competition, increased trade. Your answer is C. Reduced competition. Question 85. Consider the following: customs duty, import quota, product standards. Which are trade barriers? 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 86. Which organization publishes the Global Trade Outlook? WTO, IMF, OECD, FAO. Your answer is A. WTO. Question 87. Which one of the following is the principal objective of India's foreign trade policy? Promote exports and integrate India with global markets. Eliminate imports completely. Restrict international investment. Fix exchange rates. Your answer is A. Promote exports and integrate India with global markets. Question 88. An increase in remittances received from Indians working abroad will primarily improve current account balance, fiscal deficit, revenue deficit, primary deficit. Your answer is A. Current account balance. Question 89. Which of the following is a feature of a common market? Free movement of goods only, free movement of goods, services, labor and capital, common currency only, political union. Your answer is B. Free movement of goods, services, labor and capital. Question 90. Which one of the following would most likely increase India's merchandise exports? Improved manufacturing competitiveness, rising logistics costs, frequent port delays, declining product quality. Your answer is A. Improved manufacturing competitiveness. Question 91. Assertion: anti-dumping duties are permitted under WTO rules. Reason: they protect domestic industries from unfair pricing by foreign exporters. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. Your answer is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Question 92. Which one of the following is not included in India's invisible exports? Software services, tourism receipts, financial services, iron ore exports? Your answer is D, iron ore exports. Question 93. Consider the following statements. Higher productivity enhances export competitiveness. Better infrastructure reduces trade costs. Innovation supports long-term export growth. Which statements are correct? 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question 94. The headquarters of the International Monetary Fund is located in Geneva, Washington DC, Paris, Vienna. Your answer is B, Washington DC. Question 95. The purpose of rules of origin in an FTA is to determine whether a product qualifies for preferential tariff treatment, fix export prices, determine exchange rates, regulate monetary policy. Your answer is A. Determine whether a product qualifies for preferential tariff treatment. Question 96. Which among the following best explains trade facilitation? Simplifying customs and border procedures to reduce trade costs, increasing import duties, restricting exports, fixing exchange rates. Your answer is A. Simplifying customs and border procedures to reduce trade costs. Question 97. A country is likely to attract higher foreign direct investment if it has stable policies, good infrastructure, skilled workforce. 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question 98. Which of the following best describes the purpose of export diversification? Reduce dependence on a few products or markets, increase import dependence, restrict foreign investment, eliminate competition. Your answer is A. Reduce dependence on a few products or markets. Question 99. Which of the following is a likely consequence of persistent protectionism? Reduced international trade, greater market efficiency in all cases, elimination of inflation, increase in global competition. Your answer is A. Reduced international trade. Question 100. Consider the following statements. International trade allows countries to specialize according to comparative advantage. Trade can improve consumer welfare by increasing product variety. Efficient trade infrastructure enhances export performance. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Your answer is D, 1, 2 and 3.